Describe image. One of the important tasks in your speaking and your PTE, and also it gives you marks in speaking, approximately 22 marks. That is why it is important. Now you would have seen bar graphs, pie charts, okay, different kinds of images. But now I'm going to give you an example of how you can attempt this question. Okay, the content in this task does not matter much, so just say whatever you can see on the screen. Okay, we'll start with a difficult example and then I'll give you a question that you can attempt. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so this is the image. I know it is a bit difficult because there is no title, there is no text. Okay, so what will you do here? You will just say whatever you can see on the screen. I'll show you, I'll give an example, and this is the template that you can use. In front of me is an image. The given image is very colorful and beautiful. The given image seems to have no title. On the screen, I can see a very big room with lots of chairs. On the screen, I can see a projector screen and a podium next to it. On the screen, I can see lots of light and posters. On the screen, I can see windows and air conditioning. On the screen, I can see carpet on the floor and it is an empty room. On the screen, I can see colors like red, blue, green, yellow, and white. In conclusion, the given image is very informative and descriptive. See, when you have covered the content, okay, and you have nothing else to say, but you still have to fill the time, what you can do is you can just say whatever you want. So like I said, I can see colors like red, blue, green, yellow, white. Okay, it does not matter if there are any colors or if there are no colors in the image. Okay, also, do you think this is a beautiful image? Right? So that's that. Now, I will give you another image. It is a bit difficult as well. So try it. Follow this template. Follow these tips and you will get your desired score. So this is your image. Okay, let's go. And if you have any doubts, if you have any ideas for any of the videos, you can comment down below. My name is Sam, and if you need any help with your PTE, NATI or IELTS coaching, call us today on 0466 466 03 or visit www.oneaustraliagroup.com. My name is Sam. I'll see you guys soon. All the best for your exams.